Here's a twist on a vintage craft called decoupage to celebrate Aleene's 75th anniversary. The retro paper reminds us of when Aleene herself made crafts with Aleene's original tacky glue. Here's what you'll need: scissors and a paintbrush, a clear glass or plastic plate, a sheet of decorative paper, and Aleene's original tacky glue. To begin, trim your paper with scissors so it is larger than the plate, allowing at least 1 inch on all sides. Take the cap off the Aleene's tacky glue bottle and squeeze a generous amount onto the back side of the plate to create a reverse decoupage. Spread the glue evenly to cover the plate, being sure it goes all the way to the edges. Use a flat, wide brush to be sure that the glue has covered the entire plate. Place the paper face down into the glue. Use your hands to smooth out the paper to ensure the paper is adhered to the surface. You can use the Aleene's tacky glue bottle to smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles in the paper. Trim the extra paper from the plate with scissors. Flip the plate over and onto a bowl to dry for an hour. To protect the decoupaged paper, apply a layer of Aleene's original tacky glue to the dried plate, smoothing it evenly with a brush. Let the plate dry completely overnight. Remember, it will dry clear. Now you have a beautiful dish to display your trinkets and create your own crafty memories using Aleene's original tacky glue.